So, good evening. We'll start today. Now, you're the first participant. Please tell me what is your degree?
So, is it for me? The question is
Yeah,
for me.
Maginder, Omkar. Yeah.
Okay, sir, I've completed my bachelor's in engineering in the branch electronics.
In the electronics. Acha, acha. Good. Which year
Yes.
did you pass out?
Sir, I completed it in the year 2017.
Acha. Now, after that, what you have been doing?
Sir, I'm basically into teaching field. I've been teaching kids mathematics subject for competitive examinations as well as for secondary sections.
Mhm. Acha. Which city are you living?
Sir, I come from Dombivli city in the state of Maharashtra.
Which city? Bombay.
Dombivli, Dombivli.
Where is it?
It's
First
it's
time
in the
I have never
it's
heard
in
about.
it's in Thane district of
Oh,
Maharashtra state.
Thane, I know. Thane, that is nearer to Bombay. Yeah,
Correct, correct.
very
Yeah.
good, very good, very good. Good. Now, what is your family for father?
So my father is a government employee with Maharashtra state,
Mm,
and he basically is a class 4 employee.
mm,
And I have an elder sibling who is a software engineer,
mm.
and my mother is a housewife. So including me, we are total family members of 4.
Now, Omkar, for people like you, the only problem that they face in today's interview, that is, it has happened already in Mangaluru or Bengaluru and all that, is that the gap. See,
Mhm.
they pierce you like anything to find out why there is gap, and they put the people into uh, tension. Otherwise, everything is okay. You can answer the questions and all. But this is one area where you must be able to tolerate their I mean, repeated questions. Why have you been not working? Why could you not get a job? What jobs, what banks did you apply? Why could you not succeed? This is the problem you'll be facing, over which we have no control. They will certainly ask. And for people like you with, say, your civil electronics and all, now they have started concentrating on this topic, namely, what are the frauds that are taking place in banking, how they can be prevented, more especially keeping in mind the cyber crimes. Because I don't know whether you have seen this. I have just now posted in our Telegram page a link that is a video not related to our mine, not posted by me, but still I posted because it is something important that I would like people to know. It tells about all about banking. It
All right,
tells.
sir. Actually, I'm not a part of the Telegram group.
Good morning. My name is Ishan Gera, and you're watching the Business Standard Banking Show. In today's episode, we will cover FM's statement on bank reforms and privatization and the RBI governor cautioning Indian banks. We have an interview lined up with Ithira Davis, MD and CEO of Ujjivan Small Finance Bank. In our Banking for You section, experts will explain RBI's fraud registry, and our banking expert Tamal Bandyopadhyay will shed light on the new ST judgment on IBC and the problems with the system. At the end of the episode, we will discuss the last poll's results and ask you the question for.
Yeah. So my intention is not to show this to you. So I am just cautioning you how the trend of the interview is going on. They just go through the latest newspapers that is coming. Economic Times, Business Standard, The Hindu, based on which they put the question. So your interview is on which date? 12th.
No, it's on 29th of September.
Acha, acha. You are going for E.C.G.C.
Right, right.
Oh, sorry. I was laying more stress on our this thing, that is Karnataka Bank. Now coming to E.C.G.C, I will tell you. the type of questions they have started asking. Why E.C.G.C at this stage of your career? Then please talk on the topic India. Please talk on topic India and exports. Please talk for 2 minutes.
India and export, topic on India and export.
Yeah.
Okay. So in the recent past, sir, India is having trade talks with countries like United Arab Emirates and Australia as well, wherein the Australian minister is supposed to reach in India in the month of September, that is the current month, to have FTA talks. We also have trade talks with other countries like Malaysia, wherein we are signing an MOU to deal with palm oil. And the Australian minister, if the talk goes on very well, then the FTA talks, Australia would grant us 96.14% approx. I mean sorry, I could not recollect that point of that.
Actually, whenever we are, this applies to other interviews also. Whenever a topic is given, you have to analyze from 7 W's: what, when, why, where, how, which, who. So now first explain what is exports and then go into what are the commodities we are exporting more and why we are exporting, what is the present position of exports, which commodities we are facing problem, which commodities we are able to do well, like that, and also tell who are all the agencies involved in this export business, who are all the business who are helping in the export, something like that. Okay, could you understand?
Okay.
Probably
yes,
you can
yes,
make
sir.
a reference about Ministry of External Affairs and all. Why have you not become member of Telegram group? You will get fund of information in that. You should join,
Right.
because what happens whenever a question is asked in the interview, and when I post a question to a candidate, and when they answer or when they raise a question and it appears a new topic, I put that topic on the Telegram page with link or without link. That will help you to prepare. For example, in E.C.G.C interview, this is the first time I'm coming across a question where they are asking a candidate to talk for 2 minutes. Could you follow?
Yes, sir. Yes.
And this has happened this year. Good. Next question. How did you prepare for the interview?
So just give me a minute. I'm making a note of this question.
No, I will post this now in our Telegram page straight away. All the 12 pages. This question and the previous questions, everything is coming into your Telegram page now. Telegram page.
Fine, sir. Fine.
Abhi, I have given it already. It's a 12 pages questions. You can
Okay.
go through that. Now I will concentrate on that, the type of questions they have been asking today, which will help us to prepare. Now,
All right.
how did you prepare for the interview?
All right. So actually, I was been preparing for banking exams. Like I did clear SBI PO mains, and I also cleared the interview, but could not make it to the final merit list. So from there on, I carried on with the other insurance exams as well. So after SBI PO, this is my first exam that I have been reaching till the interview part. So I went through the official website of E.C.G.C. I went through their Twitter channel as well, wherein they have been posting the recent developments that have been taking place with other countries like Cuba and United Arab Emirates. And I also went through the different policies which we could see at the bottom of the page, of the home page of E.C.G.C, that they provide to the exporters as well as banks.
Very good. Now, please tell me, what is insurance and types of insurance?
So insurance can be of two types. One is general insurance and the other one is life insurance.
Is there any other insurance available? Excuse me.
Sorry, sir. Yeah,
Is
I'm just
there
aware of
is
two
there any other
insurance.
type of health insurance is also there?
All right. Okay. Health insurance.
Yeah, what are the types of insurance you have told? Now, why there is a limited reach for insurance in our country? There is
So,
there is no definite answer for this. The way you are going to express, the confidence with which you express is what is tested here. Tell me
okay. Sorry, sir. Could you just repeat the question once again?
why there is a limited reach for insurance in our country.
Uh, I feel, sir, the insurance sector is being not being able to reach the customers by proper marketing. People aren't aware about the schemes that are being provided by the government through this insurance sector, and also the uh, possibility of a small organization also works over here. Like if I talk about E.C.G.C, it's a quite a small organization, doesn't have a far-reaching effect in the nook and corner of India, country India. So
Om,
these are certain problems.
Omkar, see, when we talk to somebody, we have to talk in a way that is liked by them or not very much disapproved by them. When you go and tell E.C.G.C you are a small organization, will they receive it well? No. And the insurance people are not reaching the others. So that is why the solution has been the main reason is financial illiteracy and the willingness of people not to invest in insurance. They think insurance is a waste of money. So in order to prevent that, only financial inclusion concept has come and so many steps are being taken. So under that light, you cannot talk in a way not so appealing about insurance people or the system. Could you follow? 100% it is true. The question is a negative question. However, when we talk, we should talk in a positive way.
Okay, sir.
So this is that is the only thing, Now you go and tell me, I am E.C.G.C man. You come and tell me, you E.C.G.C fellows, you are all small people. You are not. Will I like it?
No, sir.
So the same thing can be told in a sugar-coated words. And
Okay.
and the next question is based on that point. Why? Sorry, how much important is customer service for services sector? Super questions. They have been asking very nice questions which are not directly seen in any place. You have to think and then analyze in a suitable way. Please tell me why customer service is important in services sector.
So customer service firstly brings a lot of trust with the organization that we are dealing with, and that's the prime reason one looks for in any organization. So I feel
Mm.
that's the bullet point that one can look for.
Yeah, customer service, for example, when there is a need, the need of the person has to be satisfied. For example, right now, my bank has sent me notice that I should update my KYC. Now, I just sent a message to my bank people asking how it is to be done. They said it has to be done in eKYC. And this answer came immediately for me because I am a ex-staff member. But if it has been anybody else, other customer, I'm sure they would not have replied it early. And not only that, but we can't talk like this in an interview, but you have to tell it in a nice way. Customer service is important because then only the needs of the customers will be satisfied. The
Okay.
objective of a services sector is to satisfy the needs of customers. For example, we have an hospital. The need of the patients is that to look into their grievances, attend to them. So sufficient steps should be taken to see that doctors are there, medicines are there, and all that. So that way, services sector, customer service is very important, because then only their needs will be satisfied and the object for which the institution has started will be fulfilled. Which sports do you play?
Sir, I play chess, indoor sport, chess.
How many medals India has won in the Commonwealth Games recently?
Sir, total 61.
Acha, India has won 61.
Yes, sir.
Very good. What is the motto and logo of Commonwealth Games 2022?
Okay. Sir,
Yeah,
I'm unaware about this
yeah.
part.
Likewise, questions they are asking in a very interesting questions. Now, please tell me what is CRR?
So cash reserve ratio, CRR stands for cash reserve ratio that every bank has to maintain with RBI in terms of securities and bonds.
No. In terms of NDTL, with respect to NDTL, it has to be maintained with Reserve Bank of India in their current account with them. What is the present CRR?
So 4.50%.
4.50.
Right.
Normally, after zero, whatever we say, we have to tell in individual numbers, not in 50, 45 and all that, because everything is separate, Good. Then
Okay.
what is
Okay.
the present bank rate?
Sir, it's 5.65%.
What is the present repo rate?
It's 5.40%.
When will Reserve Bank of India reduce the repo rate?
Sir, as per the data that is recently available, once the inflation falls down, maybe then they would decrease the repo rate.
No. Instead, you can be specific like this. The objective of Reserve Bank is to have 4% plus or minus 2. So when it is going to come down below 2% only inflation, then they will resort to reducing the repo rate. Could you follow?
Repo rate.
Or
Yes,
when
sir.
it is somewhere less than 4 also, sometimes they may reduce it also. Okay.
Okay.
Very good. So you are good in communication because you are a teacher yourself, and you are able to tell the points, but only thing is modifying the answer to suit the situation has to be applied by you. And
Okay, sir.
obviously, one more question they have asked for this candidate is that why leave engineering and switch to different career? This is a routine question for which I have posted a video, I have posted a blog and all. Search in my videos, you will get it, or in other forums also. Try to prepare an
Okay.
answer for this and do it well. Your interview is going to be only on 29th or so, correct?
Right, sir.
So we will meet again if necessary and discuss something more also. So right now I
Sure,
have
sir.
to go for Karnataka Bank. If you want, you can
Okay.
stay here and observe what they are answering so that you can also improve your knowledge relating to banking, if at all
Sure, sir.
you feel like. Yeah,
Sure, sir.
very.
I'll stay on
You
the
can
video.
stay as long as you want, no problem. But the only thing is,
Just
yeah,
I
just,
just have a question, sir.
yeah.
So the video that has been recorded,
Hmm.
will I get that recording?
Yeah, it will be posted. But since you want it, definitely what I will do, I will close this video. Again, we will reassemble, you re-log in. And
Sure, sir.
Manjunath, Anila, Chidu, please re-log in. And this one will appear as E.C.G.C video, separate video, so that you can
Sure, sir.
see it today in our, YouTube channel itself.
Sure, sir. Sure.
Best wishes.
Fine. Thank
Manjunath,
you, sir.
Anila, Chidu, please log out and come again within 1 minute.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.